there, it's over there.
Simply put, what is primal?
Come on, toilet.
Primal refers to being fit for fighting.
What do you want? Get down! Get...
Whatever you want, I'll give you one. Primal is to know both your physical and mental capabilities. There's a saying, in your wound is your power. That's kind of what happens here. As a child, I used to dream of being a martial artist. I used to dream of a place where I could go and study, and a man who would teach me these secret disciplines. It used to be my fantasy, and even when I used to sleep, I used to dream of this space that I would train in and train for combat.
Yeah, let's go.
Give me money!
Strength and conditioning, striking, grappling, and weapons, and how that all comes together in the context of street survival. Every school was either just focused around sport or forms. There was very little focused on self-defense and the confrontation that you might experience on the streets when you are transitioning from your car to your house, or from a restaurant to your car, and all those little places in between where you possibly may face confrontation. And that's the major reason why I think I established Primal, is I needed a school that was going to be devoid of competition and wanting to win fights for trophies, and really focused on the problem at hand. It's quite simple. Survival. How am I going to survive? And what are the best methodologies or systems of that? And how do I didactically teach that to other people? I believe that Primal has been based in my whole martial experience. I do this because I enjoy it. I really enjoy teaching, and these are the expertise that I teach. I never planned any of this. I feel like this chose me.
Drop the knife, drop the knife. Okay, okay.